Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jasmine, and today I will be doing a cash exchange, which is the process of me taking out the smaller bills in my sinking funds and exchanging them for larger bills in an effort to keep my envelopes and my binders small and compact. That's the only reason why. I know the question will be, where does this money come from? This is actually my federal tax money. Some of it I keep, my tax, I pay a ton of money in taxes, so I have a bunch of hundreds, so I'm just going to use those to exchange this money, and then I'll pay the tax bill with all the change or whatever. So that's what I do. But if I didn't have that here at the moment, I would just go pull it out of savings, do the cash exchange, and put it back. And so that's that. We're going to go through all of our sinking funds and maybe our savings challenges and condense those a bit. So let's get into it. Alrighty, so first up here, we're going to go through our black binder, which is available on baddiesandbudgets.com if you like it. Alrighty, so let's see what we can do here. So we already have a few 1K slips. So we have 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I won't have 1,000 here, but let's see if we can get rid of some of these smaller bills. I keep my twos, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 100. So I'm gonna do that and put a $100 bill in here. And I think that is all I can condense for today. Okay, so it's looking pretty good for our savings. Next up is our retirement fund here. Let's see what we can do for this one. We have a 1K slip there. Alrighty, so start with our small bills: 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 80, 100. There's $100. Let's put 100 here. Alrighty, and this fund is condensed. I love doing these videos, and I love watching them. Like, I'm obsessed. When I'm stressed out at night, I'll just search up somebody's and watch it. Okay. So let's see what we can do for debt here. 20, 40, 60. No, but we can take these two 50s out. Grab 100. So that 65 will just have to stay in. Let's see. You know what, I could do 50, 70, 90, 110 and grab 100 and a $10 bill. I could do that. Alrighty, so we're good to go for debt. Our new whip fund, which I think is definitely going to need a 1K slip. Let's see here, it's already got 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. So we're going to go ahead and add in another 1K slip. 100. Put it here so y'all can see. Ooh, that one's glary. Okay, 100, 200, 3, 4, 450, 470, 475. So there's not really anything else I can do with that money. And again, that 1,000 I just took out will go into my savings account, just a general savings account. That's where all of my sinking funds go when they are taken out for a 1K slip. So in our emergency fund, let's see what we can do here. We do have a 1K slip for that one. So there's 300. Oh, okay. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100. So we'll take out another 100 here, and we have a $1 left. So we're good to go there. If I can get the money in the dang envelope. Okay. Next up is medical. And I think this one is pretty condensed. Let's see. We can take these 50s for 100. Another one, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and 15. So, we're good to go there. And last up in this binder is family time. And yeah, it's just 150 in there, so it's good to go. So that binder is in good shape. Next up, we will go into these. These are called peekaboo envelopes. And yeah, that one's good. Let's see what we can do for travel. So there's some hundreds. We'll trade in those two 50s for 100 and $35. Nothing we can do with that. So travel is good to go, and these I really have to make sure to keep them condensed because I don't like when they look all bulky. Okay, my fund here can trade out two more 50s for 100 and just two 20s there, so that's all I can do there. The gifts fund, I believe, has all bigger bills. I hate to even bother with this one because of my dividers, but I will go ahead and pull it out and make sure that it is good to go. All right. So we'll put the hundreds there. So we'll take 20, 40. No, I can't do that. I thought that was a 5. You know, what we can do is take 50, 70, 90, 110. Do I have another 10 in here? Yep. So we'll take out and put 110 back. Okay. So I have to go ahead and put my money back in my people. I'll just do it at the end. This isn't that kind of video. Y'all do not want to see me doing all that. So Christmas. Let's see. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 135. So again, we'll go with the 110, 50, 70, 90, 110. If I can find a 10. Should have been more organized with these, huh? So there's 1 and 10. So Christmas is good to go. Rico, which is my pet turtle. 50, 70, 80, 85, 90. So let's trade in this 20 for a 20. And we're good. Our insurance, let's see. I will put these 4 10s back and grab 2 20s. Okay, car maintenance. nothing because it's already 100 bills. Oh, excuse me, boobies. Let's see if we can condense this one down some. I think it has lots of big bills. We'll put 2 50s, grab 100, and then that 70, there's nothing we can do with that. Alrighty, bills I'm gonna leave alone. I like that in smaller bills. Household. We'll put this 20 in, and we will grab a 20. Okay, so we're good to go there. So that is all for our sinking funds. I will go ahead and go in and do, let me see. My savings challenges, this $10 is full, but I'm gonna keep that in 10s. These really don't have a ton of money in them. They'll be fine. Well, let me check my 52 weeks, see if it needs a 1K slip. I don't think so yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll change out those 50s for 100 and these 5s for 10. Okay. We'll add that back here. And so that binder's good to go. This binder is where I keep my bills. But I think those are pretty. I like to keep those small in case I need to pay the bill. So that's really it, y'all. Those are the only ones I have to condense. I will go ahead and put this money, well, I have to pay taxes with some of it, but then I will put the rest back in the bank. At least this 1,000, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. So that is our new whip 1K slip. Okay, and so then this will go towards paying taxes. So again, thank y'all so much for stopping by and watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, as always, leave them below and I'll do my best to get to you guys as I can. Have a good day. Bye.